Hello, Azaan.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Refraction of light.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Refraction of light is the phenomena of bending of light. Okay, when the light ray travels from one medium to another medium. There are some basic terms that I have told you. What is incident ray? What is refracted ray? What is interface? What is normal? And here the light ray is traveling from one medium to second medium, and this I is the angle between the normal and the incident ray is known as angle of incidence. Angle of refraction, cause of refraction. The cause of refraction is the speed of light in is different in different medium. And a medium, what is a medium? A medium is a substance in which the light can travel. Like this air is a medium. Glass can be the medium, water can be the medium, oil can be the medium, gases can be the medium. There are two types of medium: rarer medium, denser medium. In rarer medium, speed of light is more, speed of light is less. Okay, so we have discussed
Okay,
this.
sir.
Now we will hmm, 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 hmm. 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 So refraction of light. Refraction of light, number one. I have told you reflection of light takes place when the light changes the medium. So when the light is traveling from rarer to denser medium, suppose the light here is a rarer medium, here is a denser medium, and this is the interface between the rarer medium and the denser medium. See this. Here is a rarer medium here, and behind this is the denser medium, and this surface is the interface. You can imagine like that. And this is the interface between the two medium, and light ray is coming like this. Light ray is coming like this, and this is the normal to this interface. What is this? This is N for normal, and light ray is coming like this from the rarer medium. This is the normal. This normal makes an angle of 90° with the interface. What is the meaning of normal? A normal is a straight line to any surface. A normal is a straight line making an angle of 90° with the surface. Suppose this is a surface. This if this is the normal line, then this will make the angle of 90° with the surface. So whenever the light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, this is normal, it will always bend towards the normal. And if there is no medium, then light ray should travel like this. But as the medium is changing, you can say the light can travel like this, na? If there is no medium. But what is happening due to the medium change? The light is bending towards the normal. So we can say whenever the light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. Write one line. Light ray travels from rarer to denser. Then it bends towards normal. Okay, Azaan?
Yes, sir.
Now what happens if a light ray is traveling from this time? I am taking light ray is traveling from denser to rarer. This light ray is traveling from denser to rarer. This is the interface and this is the interface. So what will happen? This will happen. This light ray will move away from the normal. This light ray, this is the path of the light when there is no medium, and this light ray will bend away from the normal. Away from the normal. This is normal. Okay, Azaan?
Yes, sir.
So light ray travels from denser to rarer, then it bends away from the normal. This is looking like this. So you can write the statement if you want. So I am just writing light ray travels from denser to rarer medium. It bends, bends, bends away from the normal, like this, away from the normal. But you should know all the things. What is incident ray? What is refracted ray? What is normal? What is 90-degree angle?
Yes,
What is
sir.
interface? All these things, if you should know, na. This
Yes.
is what is this? This is incident ray. This is reflected ray, refracted ray. So I am writing for you REF. This is a refracted ray, and this is incident ray. We know very well. Incident ray. Here also this is incident ray. This is ray, incident ray, and this is hmm. Number third. Okay, first note it this down, then we will discuss the number. This is the phenomena of nature. This is natural phenomena. Refraction. Refraction is the natural phenomena. Whenever the light changes the medium, it will bend either towards the normal or away from the normal. And please make the proper diagram. Written.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, right. So Azan, if this angle is angle, suppose angle of incident I, if this angle is R, so can you tell me which angle will be greater, I or R?
Sir, I.
Very good. So here the angle I will be greater than angle R, or in your language means you write angle like this, na? Angle
Yes, sir.
I greater than angle R. So because this
Okay.
light ray is bending towards the north, so this angle will be less. But
Yes, sir.
in case of reflection, we have seen that the angle is always remain same, incident angle and reflected angle. But here the angle changes. But I will show you a case where the angle of incident will be equal to the angle of refraction. Better written.
Yes, sir.
This also.
No, sir.
Hmm. Write it. This is very easy chapter. Azan written.
Yes, sir. Just one last sentence. Done, sir.
Very good. Now, there is one case where I am taking the interface, means when a light ray will, here the light ray will travel from this medium. From any medium one, any medium. This can be air. Suppose light is traveling from air. There is a medium two, like water. I I am telling you there can be any medium, water, air, glass, steel, iron, and any medium. So suppose this is the normal and this is the interface. This is the normal and I have told you what is normal. And if a light ray is traveling along the normal, if a light ray, this is the incident ray, this is the incident ray this time. This is the incident ray this time. This. And this ray is along the normal. So Azaan, the angle of incidence will be I equal to 0 degree.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So it has been observed that this light ray will pass straight, no bending. Angle R also equal to 0 because this is going like this along the normal, then R will also be 0. So this is the, I will not say this is a reflected or reflected ray. So it will pass like this. No refraction will take place. You can say no bending. This will possible only when a light ray travels along the normal or falls on a surface perpendicularly or normally. So I am just writing one statement for this. When light ray falls normally, normally means like this. This is the interface between the two medium and light rays like this, falling like this. When light ray falls normally on the surface, no bending of light. Will take place. Okay, Azaan.
Yes, sir.
One more thing that I want to tell you. Suppose I am having this glass slab I am having. What is this? This is a glass. This is a glass slab. This is, you can imagine this like this. You are watching this face now. Sorry, this face you are watching. This is the glass slab. Suppose having a thickness, some thickness, means this is a glass slab, and this is a normal on this surface. And suppose here is air. This glass slab is like this. This is a glass slab, and around this glass slab there is air. So suppose a light ray is traveling like this. A light ray is traveling from air like this. Now here is a glass medium. This is the glass medium. So here this air is rarer medium as compared to glass, and this glass is denser. So what will happen? This ray will move towards the normal. This ray will move towards the normal like this, and this ray will go like this, like this, like this, like this, and it will again strike on the lower surface. Lower. This is upper surface of glass slab. See this. Light ray is this on the surface. This is the uppermost surface of the glass slab, and when it will go like this, it will strike this lowermost surface, means this surface, and light ray will emerge from this surface. So what you should do, you should draw a perpendicular, like uh, perpendicular means normal to this surface. And what will happen now? This medium here, right now, at this time, what is happening? Right now, this ray is in the denser medium, and here is air again. When a light travels from denser to rarer, it will move away from the normal. It will move away from the normal. This is normal. This is normal. And for normal. So this is incident ray. This is refracted ray. This is here for this. This is incident ray. This is refracted ray. So this can also be happen. So you can see the initial path of the light. If there is no glass slab, then what will happen? This ray is like this, or maybe like this, or maybe like this. This ray is like this if there is no glass slab. But due to the glass slab, the path of the light changes. See how much path of the light changes. This much path of the light changes. Earlier, if there is no glass slab, I have told you light travels in the straight line, so light will travel on this path if there is no glass slab. But due to this glass slab, refraction will take place, and light ray will travel like this. So the path of the light changes here. So you can say this much of path change of light. If you can suppose this as delta L, I am supposing a delta L. You can suppose this delta L is the distance, this distance between this and this. You can say change in path of light ray. Okay, note it down. Then we will discuss laws of refraction of light. Azaan, when completed, you can tell me.
Okay, sir.
This is very, very simple phenomena. This is medium 2, you can say. Water.
Sir.
Done, beta? Done, Azaan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now write this. This is very, very interesting topic. Azaan, have this chapter completed in your school? Light?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, have you done the experiment in lab? On the glass lab?
Yes, sir.
Have you done the experiment of
No, sir.
glass lab? There is a lab now in your school.
Yes, sir.
Have you done any of the experiment of physics?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, you will do. Azaan, and listen one thing, and I will give you the assignment. Very simple assignment. You can see that I always gives the assignment which is very, very easy. You can solve at least
Okay.
that assignment in 5 or 10 minutes, and you can just check the assignment on the portal, and you can solve that assignment in your copy, or you can submit the assignment. Okay, so it is uh, good for both of us, because I will understand that you are getting what I am teaching. Otherwise, I will think that you are not getting what I am teaching.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will not give the assignment that will give that you should give to that more than 10 minutes. Very, very simple question I will give. At least you should try this. Then I will give the assignment to you of mathematics also. I'm talking about, and of physics also. And you have performed well in the test. You are a good student. So, but the assignment problem is there, so you should follow that. If you are not getting interest in physics, then you can tell me. If I am not teaching properly, then you can tell me. If you have any problem, then you can tell me. Tell me or the team? Learnivio team. Okay, Azaan? Written.
Yes, sir.
So now we will discuss the laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. Earlier we have discussed the laws of reflection. Now we will discuss the laws of refraction. So all the things that I will do with the help of diagram. I will not teach you anything without the diagram, because what is happening actually, that I will show on the diagram. Na, I can tell laws of reflection, that incident angle and this, that, this and that. Then you will not get. You should know what is happening. So here is some medium. Here is some medium one. You can say, suppose here is a medium one, and this medium one is, suppose I am saying, this can be air, and here is a medium two. Suppose this is water. So what is happening? A light ray is coming like this, and one thing you should always remember, normal is very important thing here. Normal on the surface. Always draw the normal, because with the help of normal you will get all the things properly. Without the normal, so this is a light ray is traveling like this, and this light ray strikes at this point. At this is air, this is a rarer medium as compared to water. Water is a denser medium. So we know that what will happen, this light ray will bend towards the normal, and here this is R, this is angle R, this is angle I. So see here, angle I is greater than angle R. So now the first law of refraction is, first law is, this ray is the incident ray. Incident ray. This is refracted ray. This is normal. And what is this? This is the point of incidence.
Incident.
Yeah. All the things are same as that of in case of reflection of light, except this
Okay, sir.
point of incidence. Point of incidence is a point on the interface at which the incident ray strikes. So this is the interface. Very good. So now first law says that incident ray, refracted ray, and normal. And normal at the point of incidence. All means incident ray, refracted ray, normal. All means incident ray, refracted ray, and normal. All lie on the same plane. And what is plane? See this. See this. This is a plane. Plane. This is a plane. So plane you can consider the page of your copy. If you have copy, then the page of your copy you can consider a plane. And what is happening here? What they want to say with this statement? They are saying that all incident ray, refracted ray, and normal all are on this plane. So all the things are on the plane. This incident ray, normal, reflected ray, and point of incident all are on the plane. And plane you can imagine like this. You can imagine this as a plane. This as a plane. This the page of your copy as a plane. The screen of your laptop is a plane. So this is the first law of refraction. But the second law is very, very different. First law is same as that of reflection. But the second law is different very much. So the second law says that, beta, have you completed trigonometry? Trigonometry means,
Yes, sir.
do you know about the trigonometry? Means sine theta, sine and cos, tan.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Actually, your voice is cracking.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. And we will also start in maths introduction to trigonometry after your chapter will be finished. So they are saying the ratio or sine of angle of incidence. I am just writing. Ratio of sine of angle of incidence is equal to the ratio of sine of angle of incidence and sine of angle of refraction. Sine of angle of refraction of incidence and ratio of sine of angle of incidence and sine of angle of refraction is constant. For a given pair of media, or a given pair of media means like air and water makes a medium, means two medium is known as media, not the social media. This is something different. So what they are saying, sine SIN, sign of angle of incidence. Sine of angle of R is equal to constant for a pair of media. So if you are taking two medium like air, light rays traveling from air to water, then if you will take the sin I by sin R, you will get constant. Hmm. So Azaan, note it down. Hmm. Azaan, completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we will discuss the refractive index. Refractive index. There is a new term known as refractive index. Maybe you are not aware of it. So refractive index, first I am writing just the definition of refractive index. What is the refractive index means? Refractive index is a property of a medium. Refractive index is a property of a medium which tells how much, or you can say the amount of refraction or amount of bending will take place. If a medium have large refractive index, then the refraction means the bending will take place more. So just write the refractive index okay then.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
You can now leave if you want. If you want, you can leave. Okay. Have you written this?